morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me welcome you here in Prague on behalf of the European Commission and the Czech Presidency of the Council to the 2022 SME Assembly.
Hello, and welcome to this year's SME Assembly in Prague.
So it's great to see the progress and the new ideas and new tools that are implemented.
SMEs are the beating heart of our single market economy and the ultimate engine of our resilience.
They are the ones that innovate, in particular in the area of sustainability, and we have to support them in these efforts.
SMEs are the backbone of the Czech economy as well as the European one.
We need to help SMEs on their journey by facilitating easier access to capital.
We do not need political activists gluing themselves to old paintings. We need Schumpeterian entrepreneurs gluing themselves to new ideas.
To be able to share insights, latest research insights with the broader community, with policymakers, exchange with entrepreneurs. So it's a fantastic mix.
And the winner is...
The winner of the 2022 Grand Jury Prize is Belgium. Love to be free.
I think we are very, very proud and very surprised that we got another prize.
The event was very good, the speakers were excellent, and I think that we have very good outcome and insight to transfer in our countries, and very good ideas of how we can unite our power and networks to support SMEs at European level.
I think that these three young finalists deserve to be heard.
The winner is Victoria.
Winning this essay competition is wonderful, so thank you very much again for all your work.
I would like to wish you safe travels home and hope to see you all in the Basque Country under Spanish presidency in Bilbao.